Welcome back, everyone. I have a handsome little co-host with me today. This is Bo, and he loves cocktails just as much as his mama. Today we have a cocktail that is going to bring a perfect balance of sweet, tart, and a little bit of spring to your life. This is the Spring Fever cocktail. So for this cocktail, it is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tins. We are going to be putting this in a coupe glass today. We need fresh squeezed lemon juice, raspberry syrup, pineapple juice, obvi, not fresh. We need peach liqueur, and then your favorite brand of bourbon. And as always, the ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with. We're going to start with half an ounce of our fresh squeezed lemon juice, 0.75 ounces of our pineapple syrup. Ooh. Or sorry, that's pineapple juice, I'm sorry. And then 0.75 ounces of our raspberry syrup. I highly recommend getting a bottle with a larger opening, or you're going to have some hella mussels. And then, as I found out, make sure you scoop out your raspberry syrup, otherwise it doesn't all come out. If your raspberry syrup is as thick as mine, I guess is what I should say. Get out of there, you. Okay. And then we're going to do half an ounce of our peach liqueur. And to finish it off, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of our favorite brand of bourbon. All right, as always, we are going to fill our shaker tin up to the top with ice, shake for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then we're going to double strain. My husband got me a new scooper, and now my ice is stuck to the scooper. Get off of there. Oh no, I lost a cube. All right, we did use fresh lemon juice for this one, so make sure you have your Hawthorne strainer and your mesh strainer. I did find with this one, granted, as we all know, Juliana shakes very aggressively, so I do break up the ice very, very well. So if you don't do a double strain on this one, you are going to get some ice chunks in there. So that's another reason why we double strain, people. Woo! Look at that color. Oh, she going to the brim. Beautiful. Okay. Oh no, hold on. Please hold. I forgot my lemon. Okay, back with the lemon. Yay. All right, so I'm going to be making a lemon twist for this garnish. You guys actually get to watch me make the dreaded lemon twist this time, because Juliana did not plan ahead. I always make my lemon twist, wee, a little longer than it really needs to be, just so that way I know I've got enough to go into the drink and to make it nice and twisty. All right, so I give it a little bit of a squeeze here after I wrap it around my finger. So that's what it looks like before I put it in the drink. So I just get it to hold its shape a bit more. I stuck my finger in the drink too. I'm doing really well today, guys. And there we have it. Our beautiful lemon twist and our Spring Fever cocktail. Oh, so many different aromas. Ooh, you get just a little hint of the bourbon. This is dangerous. If you don't like bourbon, you can easily drink this and never know there's bourbon in here. It's a very dangerous cocktail. I know, yes. Sorry, my son is very excited about this cocktail as well. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy my beautiful face every day, of course, the cocktails, and sometimes hearing my baby say yes in the background, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We want to know if you're enjoying the cocktails, if you're making the cocktails with me, and if there's any you want to see. So until the next pour, cheers.